So yesterday I created a story by the name The Day the Jungle Stood Together. So it was a completely AI generated story. So let me show how I created that video, how I created the script and the story, how I created the voiceover. So I'll be showing you the complete process here. Just to explain it to you, I have like mentioned every step in the video description. You can take a look at this also. So this was the video. You can just take a look at the previous video that I uploaded. This is the video. So for this I had some basic steps. So I first needed the concept idea, then I generated the story using ChatGPT. So I used ChatGPT to create both scenes and voiceover content. Then I used Google Veo 3, which is unavailable in India, but I used a VPN to access it by changing my location to US. And you'll need to have Google Flow for this. Google Gemini won't work. And then I used a website for the voiceover generation. I'll be telling you about this website also. So let me take you to it. So the first step, so I had a concept in my mind that I need to create a video which should have the moral unity is strength. So, and I wanted to keep it around the animals because like I've seen several videos on YouTube and children love to watch videos which have like animated animals in them. So I asked ChatGPT to create a story along these lines. So it gave me the title and setting along with the characters and the full story. So this is the full story. Then I asked it to give me a script of it. So it gave me the scene along with the voiceovers for each character. Then as Google VO3 only lets you export 8 seconds of the AI generated video, so I asked it to divide it into a section of 8 seconds. So then it gave me like 10 scenes of 8 seconds. After that, I asked it to give me the prompts for Google VO3. So basically, I was thinking like it won't give me a satisfactory prompt, but this was like this worked well. So I didn't ask it to like refine it or yep, this was it. So basically, what I did is I asked it to give me the prompt for every single scene 2. Then wherever I felt like something is missing, I just asked it to add the part. Like here, I told it to add a voiceover to the hunter saying something evil. So then it gave me this voiceover. Once these traps are ready, the jungle won't know what hit it. So like that, while creating the script, I tweaked it a little bit. Then that's how I got all the prompts. Okay, this is done. So ChatGPT is free. You can easily create a script using this. So now let me take you to VO3. So basically VO3 is unavailable in India. And this will give you two options, either to try it in Gemini or Google Flow. If you try it in Gemini, Gemini only lets you create videos with VO2 AI model in India. But like if you're in US, it will let you create with VO3, but there is one limitation. It will only let you create 3 videos of 8 seconds. So basically 24 seconds of content in a day. So we'll be using Flow for this because this has no daily limitation. So when I try to launch Flow, it shows Flow is not available in your country yet. So what I do is I log out from my own account. I created a US account, US Google account for this. And so I've logged into What's happening? Yep, we are logged in. So go back to Flow. Let me refresh this. No, it won't work. You need a VPN for it. So I have this VPN by the name Setup VPN. You can find it on the Chrome App Store. So you need to choose United States for this while connecting. I won't go into the detail of how to install a VPN. You can just let me show you. You can just go to Chrome Web Store and just search for the Setup VPN and install it. So we are connected to United States server now. Let's go back to Flow and refresh this page. Okay, I might need to close it once and come back. Yep, we are logged in, as you can see here. So this is the story. I currently don't have access to VO3 on this account because I already exhausted my limit. It gives you only 1000 credits for $20 and you can create only 10 videos using VO3 because it takes 100 credits for generating one 8-second video. As you can see, this is an 8-second video. So these are the prompts that I got from ChatGPT. It's the same. I just copy pasted it, but I had to try several times to get what I wanted. So I had to tweak the prompt a little bit. Sometimes I also use VO2 to reduce my credit usage.
Everyone did their part. Flying, hiding, watching.
But it was not that great.
Everyone did their
You can just see this parrot is looking like a monkey and
part.
it transforms into a monkey.
Flying, hiding, watching.
So I went back to using VO3. Okay, no, but just one on this account I only use VO3. So now one thing about Setup VPN that I need to tell you, it only lets you use the VPN service for 15 minutes. Then after that, you will need to come back here and reactivate it. So that's how I got the videos. You can just let me show you. You can just copy paste a prompt. This was the prompt for the scene 9. I'll just copy paste. I have mentioned to focus on 2 parts in the scene 9. The first focus should be Leo the lion speaks, then Goma responds, like that. How I've written the prompt, and you just copy paste it and it will give you a video. But currently we don't have any credits, so then I exported these videos, I downloaded it. You can just upscale if you want. This will take 10 credits to upscale it, but I didn't upscale it. I just used the original size. So that's how you download it and save it. Then here are the downloaded videos that I created.
All the animals rush to gather under.
So they have a little bit of voiceovers included. So now I have the videos. Now I need a complete narrative voiceover. So for that, I used aivoicegenerator.com. This link I mentioned in the video description already. So you go to this link, then I think I need to allow the notifications. So I also asked ChatGPT to provide me a voiceover script. So this is the voiceover script. So I just copy pasted the narration. And I just pasted it to the AI voice generator. I'm just showing it for a reference, so I won't create a video. So you need to remove these lines, just the VO. And I use some voice, I think it was Ashley. Yep. And when you click generate, it will give you a free AI voice.
The next day, the
So this
hunter
you can download it, save it, and now we have the voice over, and now we have the videos. Now what I did was I imported all of the generated videos to After Effects. So this is my project panel. So I generated all the scenes along with the VO. So you can see here the VO and the music. So I have everything here. Then I just like normal video editing, you can do this in any app, whichever you like. So I just created the video using the scenes that I exported from VO and added the voiceover, tweaked it a little bit, and then added the music, reduced the volume a bit so they can hear the narrative voice. And that's how I created the video.
week.
So I need to tell you about one more thing. Like if you need to access VO. So basically this comes with the Google One plan, the basic plan, which is I think $20. So if you need this for free, let me tell you how we can get this for free. But still, like you will be able to create only 10 VO3 videos using one account. Like it only gives you 1,000 credit per month and takes 100 credit for creating 1 8 seconds video. So you can search for Google Students AI. So this says Google AI Pro is free for students through finals 2026. So when you go here, you can just click on get offer. You will need to have the VPN setup for this. So currently I'm logged into my Indian account, so this is not giving me any option. So if I log into my another account, I've already used this offer on this one and then I deactivated it. But like if I go to another account, let's say, so basically I purchased this Google account from Grizzly SMS because like I asked a few friends in US to create an account and give it to me. Like I tried it using VPN, but it was not working somehow. I don't know why. So I just went to Grizzly SMS. I put like $4 in the account. Then I bought a Google account for like it was I think less than $1. I think yep. And I sometimes use this website to get the activation codes for some services also. Like whenever I need to use a fake number or another number to like activate some service or something. You can also rent services on this website. So okay, I already activated on this one also. So basically what you will see is when you sign up using a US account and you go to this Google Students AI link, Google Gemini free for students link, and you click on get offer, then it will ask you to put a student email which you get by your university. So I used temp student email. I created a temporary student email using email.edu.vn. So you can just write the name, then you can select a domain. I mostly choose this one, the first one. And when you create an account, so you can just use it to verify the account for once. You can just copy this, paste it on this page when it asks you for the student account. So then you get an OTP, you put it back here, then it will ask you to add a credit card or some payment method. So you can use a Visa credit card, doesn't matter if it is issued in India. So after that, you'll be able to access VO3. Where did it go? This one. Okay, and then it will show you like you have 1000 credits. So this is how I use my credits. So whenever I create a video using VO3, it deducts 100 credits, and when I use VO2, it deducts only 10 credits. So you must be a video editor to like know this process. And After Effects is quite handy for me, so I use this. Thanks a lot. That was all. I think you understood the process.